Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see that I have added my foundation on and did my eyebrows as well. The makeup look that I am going to be doing today is the Purge, though mine is in pink version. You can do any color depending on your liking. Firstly, I am going to be grabbing my eyeliner pencil for starting off with the outline to avoid any mistakes before adding the rest of the eyeshadow color and white liquid eyeliner or face paint. I am gonna start on my nose to check for centers to help you guide to the next step, which is to the lips area, then towards your cheek. You can add some dots or points to check the distance. Now going for the X or cross can be tricky because you want to make that nice perfect X mark to not make any uneven mistakes. Then I'm just gonna add a line not longer than the X mark. And then you can just extend the line that's on your cheek, where you should be careful that it should be to be adding another X mark that's smaller. And now I am going to be doing the same step for my other cheek as well. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna be using my pupil or the black circle, I don't know what's it called, as it is for my guide for the center of the X mark that we are going to be drawing on the eye area. Now for the forehead area, it's just like a curve, like you're wearing a mask, yet it's just the mask is smaller. The next process is going to be a concealer, where it helps the eyeshadow color chosen by you more pigmented, and you may grab a flat concealer brush and just apply it on the line drawn. Next, I am going to grab my Beauty Bay Bright Matte Eyeshadow Palette and using the Make Them Wink and Dragon Fruit pink shade. And I don't think it is a good idea to use a eyeshadow brush. Instead, try using any kind of flat brush. But also don't forget to add a nude or similar color close enough to the color that you have chosen for the lipstick. I think matte lipstick kind of lipstick would look better. After finishing up the process for the concealer and eyeshadow, you can grab a white eyeliner, but I am gonna be using my Athena face paint palette with a little bit of mix of face cream to where I wanted to make it more pigmented, and using the smallest thin pointy brush. When adding, you want to leave some space on the pink color, and don't worry if they get mixed, as it's okay to have a small portion of pink color on the eyeliner to have that neon effect. Lastly, I am going to be adding my false eyelashes. Hope you guys like this final makeup look of the Purge that I have done of my version, which is not originally made by me, although I was inspired by someone where I saw it on Pinterest. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button to get notified to whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys!